The 5 groups of existence. And what, in brief, are the 5 groups of existence? They are corporeality, feeling, perception, mental formations, and consciousness. Any corporeal phenomenon, whether one's own external, gross or subtle, lofty or low, far or near, not one's own, belongs to the group of corporeality. Any feeling belongs to the group of feeling. Any perception belongs to the group of perception. Any mental formation belongs to the group of formations. All consciousness belongs to the group of consciousnesses. Our so-called individual existence is, in reality, nothing but a mere process of these bodily and mental phenomena, which since immemorial times was going on before one's apparent birth, and which also after death will continue for immemorial periods of time. In the following, we shall see that these 5 groups are khandhas, either taken separately or combined, in no way constitute any real ego identity, and that no ego entity exists apart from them, and hence that the belief in an ego entity is merely an illusion, just as that which we designate by the name of chariot has no existence apart from axle, wheels, shaft, and so forth, or as the word house is merely a convenient designation for various materials put together after a certain fashion so as to enclose a portion of space, and there is no separate house entity in existence. In exactly the same way, that which we call a being or an individual or a person are by the name is nothing but a changing combination of physical and psychical phenomena and has no real existence in itself. And so we see in mentions of that, well, what do these words that we're using really fully mean? But the ego is the mental construction of consciousness. So therefore, the ego is, again, another vehicle